Hi there everyone, Nathan Hawthorne here again with another video. This one isn't quite a lesson, it's just a short video showing all the different variations of mouse you can make. Now, as you may notice, unlike my original mouth drawing video or lip drawing video, this one isn't aiming for realism in any way, not even semi-realism like that one was. Instead, I'm trying to make something that you anime and comic and cartoon lovers will be able to really draw on. I know that a lot of you viewers who are following my channel and watching my videos are massive fans of anime, comics and manga, so I thought that I'd do something that shows off all the different variations of mouse that you can make within those sorts of styles. So as you can see, mouse come in such a large variety of shapes and forms. You have some which peak in the middle, or some that dip in the middle, some that are shaped like threes, some that are shaped like M's, some that are shaped like straight lines, and messing around with that is so much fun. Being able to have a person with sharp teeth and opposing them to someone with more flatter teeth, having people with more crooked teeth or those with massive teeth, it's all adds to the character design, it all adds to the individuality of each of your characters and people and designs, and it really shows off your skills as an artist and as a creator as well. As you can see, especially looking at some of the more simplistic designs here, if you want to make a mouth, all you really need is two lines. Sometimes just one line will do, but most of the time two lines. Your center line and the line underneath your bottom lip. Just by doing that straight away, someone can tell that you've drawn a mouth. Okay, sometimes it can be that simple. Other times you might want to put in the lines in the actual mouth itself, or the little shine on the bottom lip. That one's a great way to really show off the surface of the lip. Drawing the teeth behind the lips is a lot harder, and it does take a lot of practice, and with digital I find it incredibly hard, but with pencil it's a little bit easier. Sending things backwards, which is exactly what the teeth are, they're behind your lips and set backwards inside the mouth. Sending them backwards is much easier with the pencil. You can do it with just a light bit of shade, but with digital work it's a lot harder. Sometimes they can look like they're protruding, or like there's something that's not exactly teeth shaped in the mouth. Open mouths are very hard, especially because anime doesn't necessarily do it anatomically correct, but there are shortcuts that you can take to master this. But just remember that the jaw is a hinge, and that your lower teeth will move backwards as they move downwards as well, and that will help you to get that correctly. Remember, your mouth opens on a hinge, like a door open in a V shape, okay? Which means that it goes in an arc, it doesn't go directly downwards. Now, with drawing mouse, you can get piles of expressions in there. Loads of people rely heavily on text, especially in the comic format. Loads of people rely heavily on text to get across feelings, and I'm guilty of this as well. But the mouth and the facial expressions, those can really add so much more to any scene, because the viewer is not just reading how the person feels, they're seeing it. It's easy for happy and sad and angry, but it's when you start getting into those other more smaller emotions, the ones which aren't as easy to pick up on. So ones like confusion, indecision, loss, tiredness, expectation, patience, those sorts of things. You might not think that there are faces that go along with them, but there are. And watching people closely in real life is a really good way to figure these things out. In fact, watching people really closely in life is a great way in general to get such a large variety of different mouths, facial expressions, different layouts of faces, and what a human can be. So make sure to keep your eyes open whenever you're in public, whenever you're sitting on a bus, a train, or in a classroom. Watch what people are doing, watch how their faces are arranged, and that's how you can really get some really realistic and really meaningful expressions into your work. Question of the day for you: which expression is your most favourite to draw? Leave your answer down in the comments below, because I'm really interested in finding out what you prefer drawing. Maybe anger, sadness, happiness. It could be anything, and it could even be certain words that you like. So say for example you might like someone saying shh, and the shape that makes the mouth make. So that was all for today. Didn't really want to go in with anything too deep, just something just to get you moving. Maybe try out some of these yourselves. You can do studies of all of these and see what you can develop to improve your work. don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Our next video is going to be all about the nose. It's one of those areas which, when you get it right, your pieces can look amazing. So stick around for more great videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's all for now. Until next time.